Hey parents, I've got a fun video clip to share with you. Today, I'm taking Thailand's iconic Pad Thai recipe from the cookbook, keeping the dish Thainess intact while making it fun for kids and also easy for parents. The cookbook recipe made me feel like I was young again, imagining I was guided by my parents in the kitchen. The thing was, I was so thrilled, learning in real action. Hi guys! Today I will show you how to do Pad Thai from the cookbook. Cookbook that I chose today is this one. Let's get started! I call this episode is the Pad Thai for kids. It's fun, easy, and tasty. I hope the tasty Pad Thai noodles. The other say that you will love the sweet, singy flavor of these noodles. This recipe is inspired by the food of Thailand, a country in Asia. Thailand! Alright, it's a great introduction to the children and having fun in the kitchen too. Okay, for the number 2, they said use a knife and cutting board to chop the peanuts into pieces. I may recommend, if this one is for children to experiment or cook in the kitchen, I recommend that you buy the chopped peanut, coarse ground peanuts available in the market, so it's easier for them. If anybody is allergic to peanuts, you can just cut it off of the recipe, okay? Are you ready? Yes! Alright children, just follow me! Yeah! I have a bowl here. And this recipe serves, the servings is 6. Cut down half for the servings into 3. Crack eggs in a small bowl. Use fork, whisk. It's fun! Yeah, I feel like I'm a student again. Oh, thank you so much for this book. So I feel like a student and following this recipe. Yeah! And it's fun. Having fun. Cook is fun. Then, what next? Turn the page for more tasty Pad Thai noodles. Use a knife and cutting board to chop the peanuts into pieces. So, parents, when you're shopping for ingredient alongside with your children, just take the already cut ground peanuts, okay? You don't need to worry about, they uncomfortable using the knife. Or if you want to try, it's more like advanced, I can show you that how you chop peanuts. I really recommend not to. It's round and small. It's runaway and roll around. So unfortunate events might going on in the kitchen and they might stop in the middle or no. It's no. It's no recommend. As number 2, wash the green onion. It's already washed under the cold water. Next, use the knife and cutting board to cut off the roots and discard. Cut off and discard. Remove any dry or wilt green part. No, there's no wilt or dry green part here. What else? Then slice the onion into small pieces about half inches long, about this. So I have to measure. Long. You can use both the white and green part of the onion. Cut enough to measure about half cup set aside. So I cut down the recipe into 3 servings. So it's about this. It's about 1 green onion. It's 1 for the sauce. So the recipe called for the 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Oh, they say here, measure 3 tablespoons of lime juice into another small bowl and set aside. Well, children, don't forget to check well. It's a small bottle that's available in the market, so you can try use this one. This one maybe too big, so I can save it for another menu. Just follow me. If you don't subscribe to my channel, just subscribe and hit the little bell so you will not miss any episode that I gonna use the rest of the lime juice for the next spicy, sassy, savory menu. Okay? And next, add the lime juice, ketchup, brown sugar, and soy sauce. Mix well with spoon. So I'm gonna use a whisk. What? God! Sorry, children! 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Okay, pad thai sauce with the ketchup is very for children, okay? Or novice cook. Ketchup goes in. Look at my face. That's called, again, the recipe from the books that make me feel uncomfortable pronounce pad thai. I like to. Anyway, that's good. That's okay. Just introduction to the pad thai 101 for children. Ketchup. Pad thai with ketchup is for children. It's pad thai 101. And sugar. They asked. So if you really want, if you're not a novice cook, just look up here the link for the episode that I cooked the authentic pad thai sauce, so you can see then how I prepare and also this authentic how we prepare in Thailand. Okay, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. I got in here 1 tablespoon brown sugar goes in. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. So 1/4 cup of soy sauce. The brand that I use here is the Golden Mountain brand. I really like this brand. It's gluten free, so check it out. It's a product from Thailand. Love it. My mom always uses this brand. Okay, 1/4 cup. And what else? Soy sauce. Mix well with a spoon, so I use a whisk. I'm not recommend use a spoon because it's gonna be spilled everywhere. Even for me. See, I spill. Let me taste the sauce. Oh, don't taste like that, okay, children? Just use your finger and taste like a pro. Or sassy, sexy. So parental advice. Wow! It tastes fun. It tastes funky and fun. Salty from the soy sauce. It's friendly. It's very friendly, tasty. Sour from ketchup and sweetness. Umami from the tomatoes, ketchup, of course. I think it's brilliant. To just allure children to like pad thai. And sugar, sweet. Lime juice. It's a nice combination. I have no complaint about that. So set aside, I believe. Alright, go back to our cooking. So in the hot water on high, bring to boil and just drop the bean sprout in there 30 seconds. So I said, or you can count in Thai 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then scoop it up. Easy. Set aside like that. Rice noodle in the boiling water. There we go. You just scoop it up and set aside. I'm done with this. I made so many messages. I'm working. 1 to 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder, okay, and shed carrots. It smells good. Easy. Oh, use this garlic powder. It's smart. Move the carrot to the edge of the clear spot in the middle. Pour in eggs in. Wow, it's fun. So I use a spatula to flip it over. Just keep stirring, then flip the eggs until they are cooked all sides. They should be firm, not wet or gooey. That's good. That's looking good. Pour the lime sauce and mix this together with the eggs and carrots. So it's gonna divide into 3. Okay, I think it's about it. And mix with the carrot and eggs. This can be sticky. Oh, add the noodles and bean sprout. Woo! Fun! Finally. Okay, add the noodle and bean sprout in. A little excess water on the tray that I use. Don't worry about that, okay, children? Just dump everything in. And this says try using tongue or 2 wooden spoons to toss ingredients together. Add the peanuts and green onions. It's fun cooking. And then add the onions and the peanuts. Yay! Voila! Look at that! Oh, it's so fun! Hey, it's fun! So if you are a parent yourself, if you don't have any activity with your children, I recommend making this menu. Look at that! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! It's clever. Smart. Thank you for having this recipe, and it's easy for children to just follow the recipe and they're having fun and see the final product is not bad at all. You see? Easy. And I hope it's tasty too. I can smell it. Oh, smell nice. And then turn off the burner and serve. Yeah, wow, as easy as is it. It's so easy, you know, like want your kid to enjoy and, you know, the product, the final product, and I believe it's tasty too. And serve. Wow, look at that! Yay! All right, let's eat. Children, the moment of truth. It smells like ketchup, tomato sauce. Yeah. Good job, guys. Thanks for the recipe. Inspiration to the kids, to the American kids. That introduction to the pad thai. So, hey, may I introduce you to pad thai? Good job. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you want me to cook any spicy, sassy, naughty menu, just leave me a comment down below. I will give you some more information about the book and also the page of the recipe, so you can go check it out at the bookstore or any library that near you, so you can just borrow and maybe do photography of that kind of chapter or the page to try. And yeah, if you're kind of struggling, just look at my episode and look at my video, so you can just follow, guide your kids step by step and make it easy and fun, okay? And yeah, cooking is fun and cook happy. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here to my channel, okay? Subscribe and hit the little bell. Bye!